When it comes to maintaining your home, windows often get overlooked. However, your windows play a significant role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall curb appeal. In Auburn Hills, where the weather can vary from hot summers to cold winters, keeping your windows in good shape is crucial for the well-being of your home. If you're unsure whether it's time to replace your windows, here are some clear signs that it might be time for an upgrade. Drafts and temperature inconsistencies. If you feel a chill near your windows during the colder months or notice that certain areas of your home are always warmer or cooler than others, your windows might be the culprit. Drafts around the window frame are a sign that your windows are no longer providing a proper seal. Over time, seals can deteriorate, allowing air to pass through and affecting your home's energy efficiency. Windows that let in drafts are also more likely to cause issues with your HVAC system, forcing it to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can help regulate the temperature inside your home, making it more comfortable year-round. High energy bills. If you've noticed a sudden increase in your utility bills, it could be a sign that your windows are not as energy efficient as they once were. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass, allow heat to escape during winter and let cool air out during summer. This can lead to your HVAC system running constantly, which uses more energy and drives up your utility costs. Upgrading to modern windows with energy-efficient features, such as double or triple glazing and low-E coatings, can help keep your home at a consistent temperature without overloading your heating and cooling systems. The result? Lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Visible damage or wear. Physical damage is another obvious sign that it's time to replace your windows. Cracked or broken window panes, damaged frames, or wood rot are all signs of significant wear and tear. Not only do these issues affect the appearance of your home, but they can also compromise the structural integrity of your windows and allow moisture to infiltrate, leading to mold growth and further deterioration. Even if your windows aren't broken, you might notice other forms of wear. Faded or peeling paint, rust on metal frames, and warped sashes can all be signs that the windows are aging and need replacement. Replacing your windows with newer, more durable materials will help enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your home. Condensation between glass panes. If you've ever seen condensation or fog trapped between the glass panes of your windows, it's a clear indicator that the seal has failed. This often happens in double-pane windows where the seal between the two layers of glass has worn down over time. Not only does this make your windows look unsightly, but it also reduces their insulating properties, causing energy loss. When you see condensation between the panes, it's a sign that the window needs to be replaced. Newer windows with updated seals and insulated glass can restore the window's energy efficiency and improve its overall performance. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are hard to open or close are not only inconvenient but also a potential safety hazard. If you find yourself struggling with stiff, stuck, or warped windows, it's time to consider replacing them. Old wooden windows, for example, can swell or shrink due to changes in humidity, making them difficult to operate. In some cases, the locking mechanisms may not work properly, posing a security risk. Replacing these windows with modern designs that feature smooth, easy-to-operate hardware and reliable locking systems will improve both the functionality and security of your home. Noise pollution. If your windows are letting in more outside noise than usual, it could be time for a replacement. Older, single-pane windows tend to allow sound to travel freely from the outside world into your home. Whether it's traffic noise, loud neighbors, or outdoor events, excessive noise can become disruptive to your home life. Upgrading to windows with soundproofing features, such as thicker glass or double glazing, can help reduce noise pollution and provide a more peaceful living environment. Increased maintenance requirements. Are you constantly needing to repaint, caulk, or fix your windows? If your windows seem to require more and more maintenance over time, it might be a sign that they're on their last legs. Constant maintenance is not only time-consuming but also an ongoing expense. Opting for new windows made from low-maintenance materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum will save you time and money in the long run. These materials resist rotting, warping, and fading, meaning you'll spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Conclusion. Your windows are essential components of your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. If you've noticed any of the signs mentioned above, it might be time to invest in a window replacement in Auburn Hills. Not only will this upgrade improve the look of your home, but it will also provide long-term benefits, including lower energy costs, better insulation, and enhanced curb appeal. If you're ready to replace your windows, consult with a trusted local window contractor to explore the best options for your home.